According to the district chairperson, Engineer Alnir Trey, most all the district roads are in a bad state, and this move is aimed at maintenance of all the district roads that have been damaged by the heavy rains, which destroyed multiple roads and bridges in the district. He promised that most of the roads will be worked on before the end of this year.
As a district, we normally work on one road and then we can only come back after 2 financial years because the budget is very small. Actually, I would want to appeal to His Excellency and our government, the NRM government, that as Kanungu we appreciate the 1 billion that the President gave us, but really we feel we deserve much more than this.
He further appealed to the government for an increase in the road fund because what they currently receive as a district is not enough to maintain all the roads. Kanungu as a district contributes significantly to the government road tourism due to the presence of Bwindi National Park. Many of the roads are used by the tourists, and he called on the government to increase the fund to at least 6 billion shillings.
That we received as Kanungu, and most of the areas we are really doing bad, especially those roads that we worked on more than 1 financial year ago. And for this reason, you can see this Kambuga-Nyabushoro road. It is where sand that is used for constructing everywhere around Kambuga area, around Rugyeyo, around Kanungu, around Kayungu, around Chisizi and the Nyashenyi areas. They all use this road. So it was in a terrible state and people were completely stuck.
The Deputy RDC of Kanungu, Ahimbi Guard, who officiated at the function, called for vigilance among the local leaders during the rehabilitation of these roads to ensure that the work within the scope is completed, as they represent the people who are the primary beneficiaries of these roads.
Vigilance of local leaders is that they should take ownership of these roads. These district guys are not easy. They will talk about 20 trips of Maram and they will end up putting 10. They are supposed to use a district truck, which is very big. They will end up using smaller trucks. And this one is intentional. It's not that they are doing it without knowing.
District councillors from Nyakabuga and Kambuga expressed gratitude for the improvement of these roads, adding that the roads had been in a poor state, that some of the people had suffered accidents while traveling on them. They called for the proper damage systems to ensure the roads last longer.
Even in a pipes na wajita na yone bagaruka baji broken ngwa mizi gataza mbweni nyanda kushaba chairman ukwataniza na RDC urubuto natri rwako rwezo offshoots zikaguma zicingire nezi pipes mu manyengu there is no work done. So katwikirizane itwe ntwakira project age mukabanya Kambuga gureta Kambuga na Rugyeyo because kwena bine mu kuganyirwa
mukama woko maziri kutopa pipe kweri ntushemererwa munonga abo tutekatekaho na timu yawe okuleba ngo omuhanda gwa Nyakabungo wiguka ebyo bushubuzi byatandika kuraba.